I've been using the K18 Pro service on every single client for the last 2 years, and today I'm gonna show you how to add the new hair oil into your K18 Pro service. The coolest part about the molecular repair hair oil is that it can be used on damp or dry hair. So you're gonna be using this product several times throughout your styling journey. Not only does it work on the molecular level on the deepest layers of the hair, it also works on the outer layer to seal split ends, tame frizz, and add a ton of shine. When a client comes in, the first step to the K18 Pro service is misting the hair down with water to open that cuticle. Then I'll split into 4 quadrants and add my K18 Pro mist liberally within those 4 quadrants. I'll let that set for 4 minutes, and then I'll move on to whatever service behind the chair I'm providing, whether that be chemical or non-chemical. After I shampoo the hair, preferably with the K18 Detox Shampoo, I'm gonna take my client back to the chair and on damp hair, apply 1 to 3 pumps of the K18 leave-in mask and allow that to sit for 4 minutes before I move on to the oil. We apply the hair oil to damp hair because at that point the cuticle is already open because the hair shaft has been swelled, allowing the K18 peptide to drive deeper into the hair, healing it from the inside out. Once my client is completely dried and styled, we're gonna move into the second round of our hair oil application using 1 to 2 drops this time. Because on dry hair, we need a little less oil. I'll lightly warm that up and start applying it to the mid shaft and ends first, because that's where we need the most love. Working that up the hair shaft, up into the root if I need it. I'd like to use a little bit around the hairline, especially if they have a little bit of breakage, to really heal and seal that cuticle. I'm so happy that we finally have a product in the styling category that truly heals hair. This product works in so many different ways, like heat protection, sealing split ends, adding an insane amount of shine, as well as taming all of their frizz at home.